And as your elected NEC representative, I will support 4 key changes. Number 1, fairness and natural justice in our complaints system. Number 2, open selection for Labour MPs, just as we have for Labour councillors. Number 3, freedom, justice and equality for all people. And number 4, that members lead the policy and we decide that at a sovereign conference democratically with all members. Because this NEC election, it's for all of us, it's for all 600,000 paid up members of the Labour Party. It's our Labour Party, it's our votes and our democracy. We should decide the policies, we should decide the rules, who can be a member and who cannot be a member, and we should not outsource this to some outside agency who works against our interests.